Hello everybody. So now we are going to look at this exploiting the Crontab. So this is also very much important on this Linux privilege escalation. So if we just do cat etc Crontab. So now we can see this user is running on the auto script, right? And it's on a home user desktop, and we can see over here if I just do ls, and then it's this script. What this script does is create a text, create 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 a abc your text file, then it echoes the I will automate the process text, then it create the bash in as a interactive. Then then if we just know this what's this notation means, so we can simply refer to here. This hash means id, m means minute, h means hours, day of month, do means mon, month means month, dow means day of the week, and this user means the user that runs the command, that will run as a command, and this command is what command should be ran. As you can see this, and let's start exploiting this vulnerability. So for that we have to be on our local host, and let me just copy this. So we are going to use MSF Venom. So here is our command for that. So I can just type it MSF Venom. Then this is for payload. Then what we're gonna use is CMD Unix. Then a reverse netcat. I think it should be a netcat and L localhost. What is our host name? A host IP. So it's simple 10 L host 10 dot 10 dot 166 4 dot 20. Then our port gonna be uh 8888. Now let's do enter. That should generate a payload. Yes, we are not encrypting it. Let's wait for it. Let's check our spelling. MSF Venom and SP command Unix reverse netcat, then our localhost. Localhost is 10.10. Oh, it has been created, so this is our payload. So let's copy this, and we have to listen to the port curl nc that's lv np. It's gonna listen on port 888. So let's do 8888. Then let's do enter. So after doing this, then we go over the victim machine, right? So we have to paste this. So let's do echo. So then let's use this and let's paste it over here. So it just echoed. Then use this sign to override the auto script, and let's do enter. Then we should see our sale. So we should wait for it. I mean, I we need to wait for 5 minutes, but it will work. So if I just cat out, right? Cat out, cat out the ATC Crontab. No. I want to see my script, so it has been overwritten. So you can do cat etc. So it has been overwritten. So that is how you exploit it. Thank you guys.